Hello and welcome back to Joe's Math Tools. In our session today, we are calculating the circumference of our circle when we're given the diameter as a decimal number. We're using the circumference formula for the diameter and our pi is equal to 3.14. And if you want to see how this is done, let's get started. So in our example today, we are still calculating the circumference of our circle when we're using the diameter formula and our pi is equal to 3.14. However, in this example instead, we are going to be working with decimal numbers. So our pi is equal to 3.14 and my diameter is equal to 0 and 95 hundredths. So let's begin multiplying, and remember that if you are one of those persons who struggle with multiplying decimal numbers, this particular question may pose as a trouble for you, but remember that multiplication is still multiplication whether you're using decimal numbers or whole numbers. The only difference is knowing how to input the decimal point at the end of your calculation. So let's begin multiplying by my 4. So 4 times 5 is 20. We'll put our 0, carry the 2. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 2 will give us 38. We'll put our 8, carry our 3. 4 times 0 is 0, and 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. We're going to add in a 0 to indicate we're done multiplying with our 4 and start multiplying with our 1. So 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 9 is 9. And 1 times 0 is 0. So now that we have done multiplying by 2 digits, we will enter 2 zeros and then begin multiplying by our 3. 3 times 5 is 15. We put our 5, carry the 1. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 will give us 28. We'll put our 8, carry the 2. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2 was equal to 2. So now let's sum our numbers together. So 0 plus zeros will equal to 0. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 13 plus 0 is equal to 13. We'll put our 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. And 13 plus 5 is equal to 18. So we'll put our 8, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. And then we'll bring down our 2. So after we're done multiplying, we'll go back to both of our numbers. So in my first number, we have 2 digits that's behind the decimal point. That's our 9 and 5. In our second number, we have 2 digits behind the decimal point. That's our 1 and 3. So in total, in our solution, we should have 4 digits behind the decimal point. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then input our decimal point between our 2 and our 9. So the circumference of our circle is equal to 2.9830, and that is kilometers. Okay, so make sure to get some additional practice in, and I'll see you right here in the next video on Joe's Math Tools when we make math easy.